anticipated. The launch, the unveiling, we all have been waiting for. So I think थोड़ा excitement होना चाहिए, है ना? So I want everybody to please be part of the countdown. बिंदु सर, मैं चाहता हूँ कि आपकी आवाज में थोड़ा और एनर्जी आ जाए तो जनता जो सो रही है थोड़ा सा जाग जाएगी, है ना? All right, you are the first ones to witness. So come along with me in doing the countdown as we unveil, launch XEV9. Let's make some noise! Your love says it all.
That's the first flagship from the House of Mahindra, our electric origin SUV XEV9S. Now can we have
Drive, and believe me, it has turned everybody crazy. This drive has been amazing, ladies and gentlemen. Now is the unveil launch of the final one, Mahindra XU1. Ready now, Mahindra XUV7XO. For the very first time for you guys.
both the products feature end-to-end, coast-to-coast screen, probably the safest cars in the country, and represent the best that we have to offer from the House of Mahindra. So ladies and gentlemen, one last time, put your hands together for the two flagship products from the House of Mahindra, the
XEV9S. To celebrate this night, we have very shortly a Bollywood, and because we have all the Punjabis out there, Randhawa Motors, ladies and gentlemen, I thank each and every one of you for your patience, for being here, for your presence, for making it over. So guys, please don't go anywhere. We have this super amazing.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Younger and hotter, ladies and gentlemen, this is the much awaited, much anticipated launch of these cars, Mahindra's XEV9S and XUV7XO. Ladies and gentlemen, in next few minutes, we're gonna see the unveiling, launching absolutely live. But before that, we have few more celebrities who have dropped in. Ladies and gentlemen, to do the honors, I request once again Gurjeet Randhawa ji to please come on stage, and GP Randhawa to please join with a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Randhawa Motors welcomes you once again to this much awaited great grand launch. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please make some noise for this handsome hunk aging backwards, Rohit Roy. Wow, look at this gentleman. Wow. Warm welcome, very good evening.
Excuse me.
Can you please have token of love and appreciation for this gentleman? Decked up in white in between two men in black. Rohit Roy sir, warm welcome, and we would of course love to hear from you about this night, and which one are you excited for? XUV9S or XUV7XO?
XUV. I have to to admit, I mean, it's fantastic. I've always had a great admiration for Mahindra vehicles. I've never quite understood why we, including me, time and again buy foreign-made vehicles when we have the best in India, whether it's the craftsmanship. It's true. It's not, you know, कभी-कभी हम लोग सोचते हैं कि हम लोग किसी इवेंट पे आके किसी प्रोडक्ट के बारे में अच्छा बोलेंगे तो लोगों को लगेगा अच्छा यहाँ पे और क्या बोल सकते हो. But I genuinely believe that Mr. Mahindra and his entire team are so passionate about building these vehicles that they're absolutely international, top class. Not only global design, but the craftsmanship, the after-sales service, all of it. Why do I still need to buy a foreign-made car? So, well done. And congratulations to my brothers, the Hawa brothers, for making this launch happen, and all the very best.
Thank you so much. Can you please make some noise, ladies and gentlemen, for Lava Sinha? We'd love you to have on stage. We'd love to have you at the launch. Yeah.
Because again, जिसका डिजाइन है वो जो फीचर्स है उसके मैं भी काफी इम्प्रेस था उससे एंड जिन्हें कहा मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ स्पॉन्सर्ड स्टेटमेंट नहीं है ये दिल से मैं कह रहा हूँ एंड ऑफ कोर्स जैसे आप सब जानते हैं जो भी आए हैं यहाँ पे यू आर वेलकम फॉर द रंधावा ब्रदर्स एंड वी आल्सो अप्रिशिएट व्हाट दे डूइंग थैंक यू
Thank you. Now the time has come for the unveiling. I'm sure each and every one. Can you please make applause? What a perfect, iconic launch this has been of Mahindra 7XO, Mahindra XEV 9S, ladies and gentlemen. Abhishek and Nani, can we please have you on stage? Abhishek and Nani. Bindu Dara Singh Paji, please. आपकी दमदार presence हम चाहते हैं मंच पे. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the gentlemen and the starcast celebrities. And please, the man himself. And guys, like I said, please don't go anywhere. We have Navraj Hans, who will be performing live for us in the next few minutes.
Aditya, look Santa, yeah.
Because I'm here for them. I have been thinking lately about why exactly are we all like I also have I have a Mercedes, so I have a foreign car, and why aren't we even looking at something that is made in India, which is almost as good as something we buy from outside? And I have been thinking about it, and it just coincidentally matched what I was thinking, and I landed up here, making me even more, solid of what I probably I'm going to make a choice about in the coming time. So I was asking them, what is the sustainability in the sense of if it's an EV, then how far can I go and how much of a trouble will it be? Because I do travel out of Bombay a lot and in the car. That is the reason we opt for these cars. So I think today it's given me some kind of a how would I say, I made a decision today. So I think it's a great day for me and them both. Yeah. My dream car is the one I have actually, but I certainly want to explore more, especially Mahindra, because I feel that we really don't, we just watch what is going on around and follow that rather than experiencing something what India has to offer. And I think it's, for me, it's that time now. So I'm certainly going to explore this, especially the XCV 9S. Yeah. What happened on professional front? Professional front, the new year has begun. So a new script is beginning next month. Up till now, yeah, that's all I can say. Yeah, well, I would like to say that, not many people know, I don't know if they know that I was a runner, I was a sprinter. But when it comes to scripts or when it comes to performances, I really am very patient. I have no in Marathi, as they say, ghai ghai. I have no ghai ghai. I'm going at my pace. I'm going with the scripts because I think it's the time where actors are now being recognized more than, I would say, I don't know if it even makes sense, but people did ask me that what is a star and what is an actor. I don't think there's any difference. In fact, being an actor is something which gives you the stardom for that moment. Like Elvis Presley for that matter. I don't know if a lot of people know about it, that he was very upset with himself that he could not act. So, you know, your mind can really take you in many directions, but you really have to understand that script is the king. You could be a best actor in the world, but if the script is not supporting you, you cannot perform. So I'm waiting, I'm going slow, and I'm getting some brilliant scripts. In fact, I'm entering some spaces where will be new for me, like films. So it's going to be a great year. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye. Good to see you too. Hi, buddy. How's it going?
I'm fine. Tell us, what do you expect to launch party is happening?
Well, I'm a big fan of Mahindra, all their cars actually, and the boys are friends of mine, so I'm happy to be here for their grand launch. And it's amazing how they do these amazing launches year after year whenever there's a new car, and one of the most trustworthy people. I'd blindly buy a car from them. I probably will be very shortly.
Thank you.
Because I'm waiting for the new one to come out. But yeah, all the very best, and बस यूं ही खुश रहो, खुश लोगों को खुश करते रहो और खुशियाँ फैलाते रहो.
ये लेने पहले हाँ
So good to see you.
ऑलवेज
मुश्किल से नजर आते हैं.
हाँ
Please पहले तो बताइए, वजह बताइए आप.
रंधावा मेरा भी सरनेम है, तो आप समझ सकते हो कि रंधावा मोटर हमारा ही है. ये ऑटोमेटिकली हमारे भाई हो जाते हैं, और इनके पिताजी और मेरे पिताजी बहुत पुराने दोस्त हैं. ये हमारी फैमिली है. जब भी हमें एक गाड़ी तो हम महिंद्रा की रखते हैं, एक टाटा की रखते हैं, बाकी कोई इम्पोर्टेड हो चलेगा. तो यही है जहाँ से मैं गाड़ी लेता हूँ हमेशा. और जो रंधावा मोटर से एक बार गाड़ी लेता है उसको कभी कोई तकलीफ नहीं आती. जस्ट बिकॉज हमारी फैमिली है इसलिए नहीं बोल रहा. ये जेन्युइनली वन ऑफ द बेस्ट डीलर्स इन द कंट्री.
Thank you.
गाड़ियाँ नवी नवी महिंद्रा निकालते जा रहे हैं, ऑलवेज ब्रिलियंट होती हैं. जब भी कुछ हमें छोटा भी फॉल्ट कोई बोलता है तो हमें बड़ा दुख होता है कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है, क्योंकि महिंद्रा में कोई फॉल्ट होता नहीं है. टाटा एंड महिंद्रा रॉकिंग एंड दे आर सर्विंग द होल वर्ल्ड. इंडिया तो दूर की बात है, पूरे दुनिया में ये गाड़ियाँ जब दिखती है बड़ी खुशी मिलती है. जब मैं फॉरेन कंट्री ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ और अपनी कोई गाड़ी दिखती है तो लगता है मज़ा आ गया. अब मैंने बेटे के पास थार रॉक है और मैं भी थार रॉक अभी लेने के चक्कर में हूँ, लेकिन ये बोल रहा पहले पाजी 2 नवी गाड़ियाँ निकाली हैं, वो देख लो. On the professional front, we just finished one movie called Welcome to the Jungle. वो आएगी. हमारे शो चलते हैं, जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्णा, कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहता है. ब्लू स्काई हमारा नेल्स का, वी आर नंबर 1 इन द होल कंट्री. बहुत सारी चीज़ें समझ नहीं आता टाइम कैसे उड़ रहा है.
जैसे बिंदु बाजी ने कहा, ये हमारी फैमिली है, घर है, तो अपना घर की डीलरशिप है. तो सर एक कॉल पे एनी टाइम हाजिर रहते हैं. थैंक यू, इनके लिए हम बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं.
रियल नाम है वीरेंद्र रंधावा.
Thank you. Thank you.
रंधावा एंड रंधावा ऑलवेज टुगेदर.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Roll कर रहा हूँ. Drive is the back, please.
कौन है यार, इसका ये चीज बीमारी है.
सर मैनेज करेंगे आप. चलो रोल कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ रोल है.
So good to see you, Pawan sir. You know, it's Mahindra everywhere. You know, you talk about anything and you are here with every, you know, every time you come with different ideas, with different product. Tell us how's your journey so far. And Randhawa is doing fantastic.
Good evening, first of all, everyone, and thank you for being here this evening. Very special for us because we are showcasing 2 flagship models, but it's one great moment for Mahindra because one represents XCV, 9S represents one end of the spectrum where we are going big on electric market, and the other end of the spectrum is XUV 7XO, which is built on trust of more than 3 lakh customers. So we are really excited about being here, and thanks to our channel partners here, Randhava Motors, who have been going strength to strength in building our brand.
Thank you.
Target audience? Everybody. Everybody. Yeah.
Now electric is everything. It is another revolution when you talk about auto industry. So what will be your idea behind
we strongly believe that India is going to go big on electric as a powertrain, and we believe that we have entire spectrum of products to cater to each of the sub-segments within electric range. So electric is one of the key strategic areas where we are going to focus as Mahindra brand.
What's your take on that? Somebody from Mahindra appreciating your piece of work and the amount of work you're doing here in Mumbai is fantastic. What you have to say? Do you think that's responsibility on your shoulders goes off?
Yeah, see, so now the infra is becoming good. So people need big cars, SUV cars. So Mahindra is already in SUVs. So it's the perfect time for everyone to buy SUVs. So we are into electric and ICE both. So it's a good for everyone. It's a good car.
Thank you. We'll connect later on. Thank you.
Thank you.
I congratulate Randhawa Motors and Mahindra & Mahindra. ये बहुत अच्छी गाड़ी XUV 9S लेकर के आए हैं और XUV एक और मॉडल यहाँ पर आया है उसका लॉन्च and I congratulate Mahindras and Randhawa Motors for doing the excellent job. The entire city and the entire state appreciates them. Thank you.
So first of all, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, and I must compliment all of you for coming and gracing this occasion. For us, it is a big moment. We are really proud to unveil two of our most flagship brand. One is the 9S, which is our electric proposition, and we have the 7XO, which is available in petrol and diesel. So we are really thankful that you are gracing this occasion, and we are going to unveil today along with all of you. So I have been traveling since 5th that we have launched the 7XO, and for the 9S we did the launch on 26th of November. And let me tell you, wherever I am traveling, different parts of the country, customers are very curious, and our dealers are able to give them that kind of experience because we have done a proper training of our people so that they are able to kind of communicate the product proposition and the entire product feature benefit for our consumers. Thank you.
Please.
good to see you. Do your bit.
Sorry from the back only.
You just came in. Come on.
You give a bite.
You and me, another bite. लिया ना यार हाँ क्या सर सेंटर पहले इधर पहले एक सेंटर
ये फुल खुद वो बन गया बैठ के थे अंदर अंदर आया आया सुबह आया
Randhawa rocks.
हाथ से घड़ी पाई है ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ क्या हाल है डैडी को भी बुला लो
डैडी अंदर आजा नहीं नागरा में
तू ना किसी और को देखने नहीं देता हाँ
Sir, here. Sir, this side.
सर अपने राइट से लेफ्ट में देखिए हाँ राइट से लेफ्ट
Thank you. Thank you.
सर यहाँ पे भी आए ना इस तरफ भी आ जाइए अपने राइट से बोलिए
Thank you, sir. इधर आता सर here.
सर यहाँ पे सेंटर भाई
And look this camera. यहाँ जाइए ना सर तीनों
सर यहाँ पे भी
हाँ हाँ यहाँ पर भी हो जाएगा सेंटर पे या
नहीं
दिस साइड या परफेक्ट
डन थैंक यू सर
चलिए आलू किया सामने
सर लुक हियर
आइए सर आगे आइए सर यहाँ पर आइए
नेक्स्ट मार्क नेक्स्ट मार्क
भाई
सर यहाँ पर भी आइए
सर दिस साइड
सर,
दिस
यहाँ,
साइड दिस साइड
इस तरह
या सर ये भाई इधर कुर्सी लगा दो
चलिए आलू किया सामने इधर इधर सेंटर
सर यहाँ पे सामने
थैंक यू थैंक यू
धन्यवाद
थैंक यू थैंक यू
एक मिनट रुक जाओ लाइट नहीं है इधर उधर देगा अच्छा
धन्यवाद
सर यहाँ पे सामने एकदम एवरीवन यहाँ पे भाई झगड़ा मत करो भाई थैंक यू सो मच
सर जी थोड़ा लक्ष्मी लाइट चेंज कर दिया
नेक्स्ट मार्क नेक्स्ट मार्क
अरे जिम्बल अरे भाई अरे यार रोल चालू है
सर यहाँ पर भी आइए
आ जाएगा
पवन ने बोली खाली फोटो विशाल तुम्हारी फोटो
आ जाओ आ जाओ.
जो साथ के लीडर कौन हो हमारे और रात के हमसे कोई लड़ेगा क्या प्लीज हमारे कोई करेगा क्या करने फिरने की तू सोचो भी ना जिंदगी तुझे प्यारी नहीं है क्या खुश रहते खाते पीते कम से कम भूल के खूब के जीते 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 आगे जीते चले काफी याद नहीं कहाँ का रातें बीते बच्चों में मारे बेमारे से घटती घटनाएं जाने में कभी खाने में कभी महबूबा के साथ उसके ऊपर के सिराने पे तो कभी धूप लगी कभी नीचे कभी यूं कभी नुसरत साहब कभी अंकल स्नूप या